Rabble Show. I got chat to them and make them chat for it.
Stella boom, Stella bang, Stella boss on the Rabble Show. And you don't know, so this is your host, NASH-I Robert Danger, with your girl,
Up today.
Rabble, them for know.
So what I wrote there, you know.
Out of one.
You have some people out there, and them terribly, you know, them we just see a man and say, yo,
what?
you know, like them jealous of a man. You don't put it in a jealousy. Them just see a man simple look life and jealous of the man simple look life. And go. You know, them try to friend up the person. Go buy the person friendship. Use them things to get the person friendship. Just to have something over the friend. So when time that friend there, start go on, like them, if them want a friend, if you do something for them now, or go on and look away, them start say, yo, remember somebody do this for you and do that for you. And at the end of the day, if you look on it and never them,
and tell you about
make them not know anything like that, and tell them about them war or not.
I tell you want
people with money feel like say they are very powerful. Them have all the power in the world. When you have your money, you feel like say you're powerful.
Yeah, me just classy and put you on a friend suspension. Yeah. Suspend you from the friendship. Suspend you from the friendship.
You have people who are self-righteous. Some self-righteous people out there. You know self-righteous when them things say are only for them way. Their belief is the only way a certain thing's supposed to go. What them believe and what them say are just so it for go. Them not accept other person's opinion or them advice and only when them you know they call it self-righteous. Some self-righteous hypocrites. So
yeah. So like so what? If me ask you something you're not answered or me think you for answered or said.
Yeah, you automatically say me a one liar. Yeah.
So the world stay one.
Yeah, self-righteous.
That you have to know upset.
You know you have to have an open mind. People must have open mind.
Real.
The world not stay so.
But upset it. You know, so when you really check the levels and things, people call generosity foolish. If me I do things by the goodwill and do certain things, you know, with no bad intention and then something them just them say a fool.
Oh, you mean like persons if you are being generous to a person?
Yeah.
Like and other person would call you an idiot.
Without a try, buy you out.
Other person will say you're an idiot.
Yeah,
because you see the person them will say that just because of them.
Yeah.
It happen to. Simple as that. Just because of the them it happen to. Because I give willingly. I don't give and I expect back something. So if somebody ever call me a fool for that, I feel I just because just because of them I get this.
Yeah.
The kindness.
Yo, Ken Bo teach me something as a little youth, you know. The man give me something as a little youth, you know. And what him said to me, you know the message what I get with it, when the man him say, yo, you're not obligated to me, you know. And don't feel like you're obligated to me, you know.
I always tell people,
say,
listen, I don't do things expecting you to kiss, man. I look back for nothing, I do it and I forget about it. So if somebody I gonna do something for me and I gonna expect say, me I go jump as them say, oh hell no, I don't want to be a friend. I don't want to have nothing to do with it. I don't think that way. I don't want to associate with them, that type of people.
Yeah, because
I make people know that from the get-go. So I just do things and just do it and just forget about it.
Because I do things out of the goodwill of my heart, you know.
But you have persons who do things just because they have a mouth and then we do it for and then we do it and do it and do it for all years with a motive in the back of them head.
Like, watch you know, if me say a cat, you know what I say? A little cat, so a little rabblet out the road and me say, alright. Yeah, a little rabblet and me I say, yo, me I do the thing.
I like a style in a rabblings and rabblets.
Yeah, the rabblings and the rabblet.
Rabble.
Rabble. I'm see a little rablet and me I say, yo, me I do things out of the generosity of my heart and I set the thing. You know, I set our things certain way. You know what people are going to look at me and call
but
me.
hold on, people are going to look at you and call you, yeah. Because none of them I get it, so them are going to say, yeah, idiot. Put them, make a them that get the kindness. Them not call you an idiot.
You're the boss.
You're the boss. You're the Don.
Yeah,
the Prime Minister.
But but wait, no, me really want to know how me I gonna be fool now in that.
You've been doing the little thing for the person, right? And every time them return back the favor, them a go on you and go on you, and you still a do it and still a do it, and you still with your own eyes set. And that's why you're the fool.
Yeah, for real.
Me that said before. Make the person aware, say, yo, me a give me things, so me a go want back something. So if you go to the person now, generously, like I help the person, just I help the person with no strings attached. I want her to come to the person take it for eat.
Me I do something for a cat, me I gotta make sure you know what time is it. You see what I say? Alright, watch you now, let me show you how some of my time people food. Or whatsoever it be. And everybody brave, you know. And outspoken, you know. You see what I say? A man might say a girl or whatsoever, you know. Me help her out. Me not really, she look like she need help. You know, help her little wants and her needs. Ask her for nothing, you know. At the end of the day, I share the fool, you know.
What you mean by I share the fool? Me not get your rabbling.
I see if I make the relationship stronger. I know say, yeah, you know say it's a good man this or whatsoever, but don't want to lose up on the man. Give man the something.
What you mean? Yes, you can. Hold on there, rabbling. I come match up that one, yeah.
Yeah, match it.
Match up that one, yeah.
Well, I come out of English class, so then a maths
class. Yeah. You see me, and you help me out.
Yeah.
Generously.
Yeah.
You not help me out. I look back for your favor.
For nothing at all.
You not look back for nothing at all. Right?
Yeah.
So what you try to say? Yeah, in yourself, in yourself, you know, you must have a conscience to say, yo. You must have a conscience to say, yo, Rabbling's always a lookout for me, you know. You know? So, me not diss him in no way. Me not go diss him any at all. You see, if you go to the fact that she for bust the man from the kitty cat, she for bust the man from the kitty cat, that means that you do it and look for something else, man, cause
No.
Me not get you then. Me not get you then.
Me don't tell say man not look for nothing, you know.
Yeah,
the
but
man is just why you that call them? Why you that call? Wait now.
Hold on, man, Rabbling.
What?
But during the companionship where you wanna have the friendship or she receiving, she must if it's a person will have a conscience. If it's a real person, the person must show it. During that, you must have appreciation, but it depends in what way you want the appreciation. The person must show appreciation, Rabble. But it depends on which way you want the person to show the appreciation. But that's why I tell you, if you want the person to show the appreciation in the farmer, giving up the kitty cat or just being, or just dead of fear, or just, you know, show you say, yeah.
Like soulmate, I want to like
so we are talking about then two different things you are talking about then, Rabble. But if me see a male, we're in need, and me go help out that male.
Yeah.
You have some woman, you know, when at the back of them head we say, yo, I want that male. They're my partner. I want them repay me by, you know, entering into a relationship with me.
Yeah.
But if me see a person out there will see a male and just want to help that male, them don't want nothing from the male. So when you go to the point and say, yo, if you use our in a real situation, if you use our conscience.
Yo.
No understand, right?
But may I try to show it.
But may I get it wrong?
Yeah, even for the male, even for a woman, I give man or whatsoever you want, put it. The man I respect the ground, the man that walk on. So even for what, the man,
Yeah, naturally.
the man say, yo, you know, say a good girl that, you know, say a good girl that, and watch you know, people that like encourage you, all family member and them something there, but they encourage you. I know say a good girl there. That's why I say she come like a angel, she not use you, she do things out of, you understand? Out of the goodness.
So suppose you don't want that girl. Just because your family member, your whatever says she an angel and she do it out of the goodness of her. Suppose she's not your type.
Yeah, that is our next argument. But should I forget be my type now?
That's why it all boils down. If you are gonna do it, get back the favor in return. You make the person know from the get-go. And don't blame the person afterwards when the person give you back the favor in return.
Okay.
Because guess what? Me see somebody come and help me out rabbling. But me never ask or anything like that. And them never show me in any way like say
them want
back anything from me. Me now go look for some humanly. You have to in your conscience, you have to respect the person, you have to show the person appreciation. But me not gonna expect them if I go out of my way if I do things and if I jump as you say, I'm entitled to you.
Real.
No.
Real.
Rabbling, you know say you have all man out there when know say the girl have them see and know say the female have her man, she live with her man.
Yeah.
And go there. And you know, I look the girl and try to treat the girl nice. And you know, use the money and try to buy the girl. And you know, him and the girl are going with things and them say to them one that yo, you know, so we can't get into nothing, no feelings at all. And at the back of that mind, it dream having money and whatever, and feel say money can buy out and they are work and work. And when it comes to the test now, when the female, I shun him off and then stuff like that. He might behave like say he never knows from the get-go say the female have her man, she live with her man, she in a relationship. You have psychopath out there like that.
Real, for real.
You have female who stay so too, you know, one husband for left them wife and come live with them. A
sick world we live in, man.
Yeah, man.
One confusion. But rabblings out there, this is what me a please still, you know. Yeah, man, try do things fairly. Yes, so I say, play the game fair.
You're right,
yes,
play the game fair. And nobody will get hurt. No one will get hurt if we play the game fair. But guess what, Rabblings? It never go so.
It never go so.
The word on level.
Well, just try play the game fair. You remember them say, you have her way, his way, and you have the right way.
Right.
Like we do things the right way. Rabble.
Yo, Absidita.
And you don't know, say, rabble.
We out.
Rabbling.
Come.
Kind of mess your whole brother.
Let me hear what the public thinks. Chat.
Artist,